I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I did something today that a lot of you will look at with a certain degree of disdain. But that same nonchalant, carefree nature that I applied to the fake accounts into life, I will apply to your disdain as well. So here it is. I got some wet rags here. For those of you on a podcast, I'm going to describe this as eloquently as I can. I've got not wet rag, the Viper product, which is fine. I have actual wet rags. And it's like I've used them my whole life. I always have the rag jar with the rags in it, and I slather those suckers everywhere. I got a rag around a dryer, and I removed that dryer from a train unit and put it on the outside of the unit because that's where I wanted it, because it's more convenient. Is that okay? Is that all right if I think it's more convenient? It's an old train unit. That dryer is going to outlast that unit for sure because that unit's from like 14 years ago. And I'm pretty sure that it's a spoiling dryer. Even with me burning it, it's going to last at least as long as that unit. So it's coming out. And plus, if there's a repair that has to be done, chop, chop, comes right out. Bloop, bloop, put a new dryer in. It's fantastic. Fantastic.